I will show you how to create a quick, pretty decent, good website, and I'll show you 3 steps which you need to follow in order to be pretty much successful. First step is choose a good and pretty unique name. Mine is for simple, point where the possible and the impossible meet. I call it the possible one. Something that doesn't exist on the web, something where, for example, if I Google for simple board, only me comes, and I don't compete with possible. And this is really, really important because for SEO purposes, you don't want to compete with 300,000 websites or 300,000 words. The thing is, Google ranks it based upon, first of all, your content, your how long you've been on the web, how successful you are, your keywords. If your site is indexed, index means kind of Google puts you in a big database, in a table, where you get searched by some keywords. For example, if my keyword is possible, it might show my website once you type in possible. That's the first step. Choose a good and unique name. For example, if you're into cars, and you could call it MJ. Surfing, Warden, or Lightning College, or Goldie Beagle. The second step is create a blog. You don't always have to call it a blog. Call it something else, a show, anything. Because a blog, everyone skips a blog. But the thing is, why a blog is so important is, first of all, you keep on posting content. And what is crucial about this is you get attention. For example, if you look for an image in Google, like for example a car or wedding or anything, exactly this photo that you post is going to appear. If you click on it, you're going to be redirected to your website. The second thing is, let me click on it. I just call it events. So, I love my coffee. That's my first one. And if you see on the right, where it says featured post, that little thing is absolutely crucial because secondly, it interlinks the website the website post to another one. Why this is so important is, imagine if, sorry, I need to use those terms now, but Google, they use crawlers. What that means, imagine a big spider, and they follow they just read pure text on the website. They can't read any images, they can just read text. So if they see an image, they just read image. If they read text, they can read text. They see I love my coffee. Then imagine if you follow a line and your website is built into 3 different tabs. You have like 3 lines. And the spider follows one line. And if you go like on one post, and it gets redirected to another post, it follows the other line, and keeps on moving through the website. If, however, you don't interlink the images to each other, it just gets stuck. And that's bad for your website. It's bad for your ranking. It's bad for your SEO. That is basically you're building a website where just Google gets stuck every time. So that is really, this is the thing, recent posts or featured posts, that is huge. Then, you can read more, however you want. The thing is, if you see that I added those buttons here, like events or here, contact us, why this just adds up to the point what I just mentioned. You have to interlink the site amongst each other. So, as I just said, build something that really follows, let the spider follow through the whole website without getting stuck. And the third part is contact us. Make it very easy. Make the home screen, build it into 3 or 4 parts. Don't do something very extraordinary, not too long. Don't include like 5, 6, 7, 8 tabs. Make it very, very basic. 3 tabs, 4 tabs max. And the contact us should always be accessible for everyone. You shouldn't be looking for anything like, how could I contact you? It should be at the top right, always to the right, in the tab. And make sure you add the contact at the top of the page and at the bottom of the page, which I also have right here. Should be able to click on it. I will click on it. For one, yeah. Should display, like in this case, it's my photo. You can message me on Facebook, Twitter, or Google. Very easy. Just set it up as if it's an email. And there's one more thing that every website needs to have. This little thing. Copyright. Do not forget this. This is huge. This is crucial. And this ends up in presentation. So there are 3 things you guys need to follow. First of all, keep the home screen very simple. Choose a unique username, for simple in my case. And secondly, make sure you interlink the whole website in order to create a good SEO. And the blog for this is very, very important. So we can keep on posting content and content and content. And third, contact us. Make it very accessible for everyone, visible, and it shouldn't be like you shouldn't be Sherlock Holmes in order to look for it. Thank you very much.